Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious and healthy vegetable sauce using natural ingredients with no artificial seasoning and no preservatives. If you love quick, nutritious meal, stay with me till the end because this is something you will definitely want to try. For this recipe, I'll be using fresh vegetables, simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. The goal is to keep it healthy, colorful, and very tasty. I'm seasoning my chicken with onions, chili pepper, ginger, garlic, thyme, curry powder, and seasoning cubes. Then, then Dashida seasoning powder. This combination gives it a rich and delicious flavor. Next, I'm working on one of my sauce base, and that is tomato, chili pepper, and garlic. I'm not adding ginger because I've added it in spicing my chicken. Now tomato, chili pepper and garlic go straight into the blender. Blend until smooth. This is going to give our sauce that rich color and deep flavor. I transfer it to the pot and let it cook. We want all that excess water to dry up. Now I'm preparing the veggies. I'm cutting them into medium or slightly large pieces so they can retain their crunch, texture, and nutrients after cooking. This also helps the vegetables stay fresh and not become too soft. While I cut my veggies, I have a little story to share. I grew up in a family where veggies were a big deal. My mom would always say, "Eat your vegetables, it's good for you." And I hated it. But as I got older, I realized why she was so adamant about it. I remember my little brother. He was super picky, wouldn't touch vegetables at all. But one day, my mom made this amazing vegetable soup and he ended up devouring it. From then on, he was hooked. That's when I realized it's not just about forcing kids to eat vegetables. It's about preparing them in a delicious way that will make them love it. I started doing the same with my kids, and it's amazing to see them thrive. They are energetic, their skins very clear, and they hardly fall sick. And it's not just physical health, it's mental too. Veggies have been shown to improve focus and concentration, even help with mood. So don't force it. Make it delicious. Feed your family vegetables in a way that they will love it and watch them flourish. Just wait till you see how this will turn out. The color alone. This sauce is about to be something else. Trust me. Now let's take things to another level. Add oil in the pan, followed by onions. Now I add the cooked tomato mix. Stir fry everything together. Then in goes shallots and rosemary for extra flavor. At this point, your kitchen should be smelling so delicious. Into the main pot, I'm adding my chicken stock first. Now in goes the fried tomato mix. Give it a good stir. This is where everything starts coming together. For color and richness, I'm adding a little curry powder, then seasoning cubes and seasoning powder. Now I'm adding the vegetables. It's important not to overcook them so they can retain their nutrients, color and crunch. I'll gently mix everything and allow it to cook for a short time. This keeps the vegetable fresh and healthy. To bring everything together, I'm adding my corn flour mixture. Just a little. I don't want it too thick. I like my sauce light, smooth, and easy to eat. And look at that texture. Perfect. Now for the final touch. Cabbage goes in. And just like that, our vegetable sauce is ready. Serve it hot over white rice. This is so good. Rich, flavorful, and packed with vegetables. A perfect healthy meal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. I will see you in my next video. Bye!